When's the last time you used?
It's been about a week, 2 weeks. Maybe 2 weeks.
Okay. Hang on. Let me just tell you something. Now, I'm talking to you.
Yes.
See, you can't even focus on me. So the worst thing you can do is lie to me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Counts the access point. Why's he at the access point?
He's just in Zoom.
Yeah, but why doesn't he just come down to court?
That's a really good question.
I know.
I heard you call out, Your Honor.
Huh?
I'm here.
Yeah, he was sitting in here, I think, because I saw him.
Yes.
Because he's got, I think, a New York Nets jersey on.
Yes, I'm right here, Your Honor. Your Honor.
Yeah, but why are you in that room and not down in the courtroom?
Because I didn't know where I was supposed to be, and they told me I was supposed to be on Zoom, so I came in here.
Sir, walk out of that room, come down to the courtroom, all the way at the end, courtroom C.
Okay.
Yeah, take your head off when you come inside. I'll pass that. Case People versus you, Lee Walker.
Conrad Silver on behalf of Pittsburgh Township.
State your name?
Lee Walker.
Sir, you are before the court on charge of drug paraphernalia that is alleged to have taken place on June 19, 2025, Carpenter Road in Pittsfield Township. Do you understand what you're charged with?
Yes, sir. I do.
Misdemeanor punishable by up to 90 days, $500 fine plus court costs. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Do you wish to be represented by an attorney?
I can't be, yes.
Pardon?
Yes.
Public defender, please.
Good afternoon, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perrine on behalf of the defendant. We waive further reading standing to the charges and ask for another pretrial date, please.
Defendant, wait for more reading standing. The court will enter not guilty plea. Pretrial in this matter will be set for August 6, 2025, 9 a.m. As to bond, sir, if I sent you over for a drug test, you going to pass?
No.
Didn't think so. What's going to come up? Lee?
Same thing.
Maybe. Huh?
Same thing. Okay.
Cocaine?
Yes.
All right, let's go on.
Well, Your Honor, now that he's represented by counsel, if he is continuing to use, we can get him into some kind of treatment program.
When's the last time you used?
It's been about a week, 2 weeks. Maybe 2 weeks.
Okay. Hang on. Let me just tell you something. Now, I'm talking to you.
Yes.
See, you can't even focus on me. So the worst thing you can do is lie to me.
Yes, sir.
So I'm going to give you another shot.
Okay.
When's the last time you used?
It's been 3 days.
Pardon?
3 days.
3 days?
Yes.
You didn't have any today?
No.
What are you taking today?
Nothing.
You're yeah. I don't have a date before that, do I? But we'd have to probably give a bond review or sometime.
You don't have a date.
That's fine. I'm going to set his bond at $10,000. 10% bond. All other standard conditions, including no assaultive behavior. Or possession of weapons.
Drugs. That's probably not going to get
You're going
I'm going to California.
Are you in treatment?
I'm from VA. I'm from VA. I set for
Are you living here?
I live here, yes.
Is it online?
No, I can be insurance. So I'm doing travel. I'm going to the eviction right now, so I'm doing my house and my house at the same time.
What were you going to do in your program in California?
Because I'm going through my insurance.
Are you moving to California?
No, it's a program.
So my client is telling me that he is engaged in substance abuse treatment through the VA. He has insurance.
What branch of the military?
I retired from the Army. I retired at a young age. And so I'm going through VA. I went to a program in California. And so I'm going through another program now. But I'm waiting. I'm in the process of moving at the same time today.
Sir, here's my problem. Right now, I'm not convinced that you're focused on me.
I'm focused on you.
Hold
Let
on.
me talk.
I think you've been using a whole lot more than just the last three days ago. Because I don't, for example, understand why you came into the courtroom. You were in here, and then knowing that court was going on, and then you headed down the hallway to get on Zoom. So I didn't, hold on. I don't even, bless you. I didn't begin to understand that. Then you tried not to just tell me the truth when I asked when the last time you used was, and had to admonish you, and you finally told me the truth, but I don't even think that's the truth.
Because he's a
So here's what I'm going to do. There's to be no use of alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal drug. At this point,
My office. Do you have another?
I'll give her a chance to bond out. I'll reconsider it, Ms. Perroni, if you get some documentation regarding some type of treatment. But at this time, the defendant's bond is set at $10,000. I'll give a 10% privilege on that, but defendant's remanded. You need to go with my bailiff, sir.
Can I say something now?
You need to go with my bailiff. Hang on a second. I gotta do this one.
I don't,
Well, I can't do this one.
that is correct. I don't have that information for you just yet.
You don't have this information.
This hearing may have started as a routine drug paraphernalia case, but it quickly became a deeper courtroom battle over honesty, addiction, and accountability. The judge repeatedly challenged the defendant's credibility after noticing unusual behavior, inconsistent statements, and admitted cocaine used just days before court. What stood out most was how quickly the judge shifted from giving the defendant opportunities to explain himself to openly questioning nearly everything he said. In the end, the court imposed a significant bond and strict conditions, making it clear that treatment alone would not outweigh concerns about public safety and truthfulness. If you found this courtroom moment as intense as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.